How to use Meta Business Suite for Instagram. Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to use Meta Business Suite to manage your Instagram account. This powerful tool helps streamline your social media management, so let's get started. First, log into Meta Business Suite at business.facebook.com using your Facebook credentials. If you haven't linked your Instagram account yet, go to the Accounts section on the left sidebar and click Instagram Accounts. Follow the prompts to connect your Instagram profile. Once linked, you can manage your Instagram directly from this dashboard. You'll see a summary of recent activity, notifications, and performance metrics for your Instagram account. To create a new Instagram post, click on Create Post. Choose Instagram from the options, add your content, text, images, or videos, and then schedule the post to go live at a specific time. This feature helps you maintain a consistent posting schedule. Use the Insights tab to analyze your Instagram performance. You can track metrics like engagement, reach, and follower growth. This data provides valuable insights into what's resonating with your audience. Manage your interactions by going to the Inbox section. Here, you can respond to comments and direct messages from your Instagram followers, helping you stay engaged with your audience. And that's how you use Meta Business Suite for Instagram. It's a great way to streamline your social media management and enhance your Instagram strategy. For more tips and tutorials, check the description, and thanks for watching.